The Blackrock Coinbase deal is no good for Bitcoin. Bitcoin didn't react to it. It's not doing anything for crypto. That's what I heard a couple of times the last week. And actually I saw in a newspaper, and I only read the first couple of lines. The journalist said that because Bitcoin didn't react that much to this news, it was only telling that Bitcoin was no good. My name is Michael. This is PLUSZEKS Crypto Corner, and I'm gonna dive into the Blackrock and Coinbase announcement in this video. So first of all, I am just learning myself about Bitcoin. I've been in Bitcoin since 2017 and in other cryptos and invested more and more in it. And the last year or two, I invested my time even more into understanding all of this, and I'm sharing it. My sharing hopefully can let others be passionate about it too. So I did a webinar yesterday for my Danish email list and also for some of my clients. And I call it the 3 catalysts. One of these catalysts was this exactly announcement between Blackrock and Coinbase. So I dived a little into it. I looked into some numbers. And in this video, I'm going to share some of these numbers, but I'm also going to share some of my insights with you. And I put a link below here. So if you want to sign up to my free email list in English, you can just do that. And again, it's for free. It's just sharing my ahas as I go by. So is this a big deal? Is the Coinbase Blackrock thing a big deal? For me, it's a huge deal. And I'm going to share this with you now, why I'm saying this. Because first of all, you take the biggest in one area, and the biggest is BlackRock. It's the biggest asset manager in the whole world. And I looked it up. It's an American multinational investment management corporation based in New York City, founded in 1988. And initially as risk management and fixed income institutional asset management. It's the world's, BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager, and they have 10 trillion in assets under management in January 2022. 10 trillion. I mean, this is huge, right? So that's one thing. But they announced the cooperation with Coinbase. Coinbase is the world's largest tool. And I looked the numbers up for yesterday too. As of 2022, Coinbase has an estimated net worth of nearly 37 billion US dollars. You take the world's biggest and the world's biggest and you put them together, that's huge. So let me give you some of the things that I shared with my Danish people listening to the webinar. First of all, this news is from the beginning of August. It's not that old. It's a week old or something like this when I share this video. And the next thing is that the BlackRock, what they want to do is they want to offer to their institutional clients to buy Bitcoin. First buy Bitcoin and probably later go into other cryptos. And institutional clients, what I just did was I found, like, on BlackRock's, before doing this video, on BlackRock's webpage, they talk about this. So there's some few lines here, maybe we can even find more, but it says here, and just listen to this. We work with, that's official institutions. We work with central banks. So I don't know how to say this word, but sovereign funds, finance ministries, future generation funds, and multilateral organizations. I mean, this is huge, 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 huge. This means, as I understand this, we have some of these big institutions working with BlackRock. They ask BlackRock because they want to go into Bitcoin or crypto, and they ask BlackRock that they want help to this. So it's not what they did only before, but they also want to get into the Bitcoin market. This is huge. It's a lot of money waiting to come into the Bitcoin. So as I understand it, BlackRock, they got like a platform called Aladdin, and it's gonna work from there. And the cooperation with Coinbase is actually that Coinbase is going to give access into Bitcoin. Again, in the beginning, Bitcoin, then maybe later on more crypto. And I said again, this is huge. I was thinking about this, and I was thinking, okay, see, just like 3 weeks ago or something, here in Denmark, there was a headline in the newspaper saying that Bitcoin is dead. It's down 70% and crypto is just a scam. One more of these. BlackRock, the world's biggest, announcing this corporation, and when Bitcoin is at its low right now. I mean, now it's not the lowest in this bear season, but it's quite low, right? And they're announcing this, which means maybe we go a little, I don't know, but we have a huge upside in Bitcoin as I see it. And again, what I'm sharing on this channel is not financial advice. I'm just looking into things. I'm passionate about it, and I'm getting more and more passionate about Bitcoin and crypto projects, which has some solid, like they help, they have some value. But coming back to the BlackRock deal here, for me, this is kind of like a stamp for Bitcoin and for crypto. As I see it, I've been since 2017. And for me, it was like, I'm a very small investor. I'm just putting what is possible for me and with my investment strategy, and putting more and more into Bitcoin and crypto projects. And I know a lot of people have been doing the same. Now, as I understand it, things like this, it's kind of not like small investors. It's kind of not like private person. This is the world's biggest going in saying, okay, here is a possibility to make money. And in the low season, that's kind of like, we really believe in this. Again, there's a huge upside in this. So I really want to share this. I'm just going to see if I got anything else in my notes here. No, I think that's it. For me, I think, and again, it's not an advice, but we got some very positive future coming towards us. Do we have some more volatility? I think we will, but we don't know. Let's see. But again, this is just one more like very good thing happening on the road to a place where Bitcoin and crypto will be like something that kind of like everybody believes is a good thing, and a lot of people uses it. So that's it from this video. I hope it made sense. I would love to hear in the comments, so please put in the comments, what are your thoughts about the BlackRock and Coinbase deal, the announcement? And also, if you like this, please give it a like or even a heart, however you do this. And also, please subscribe if you want more of this. And finally, 2 things. As always, people ask me, Michael, I'm kind of new, or I didn't get the last, like when Bitcoin went into bull market, what should I do now? I say 2 things to people. Number 1 is like educate yourself, read, understand more about Bitcoin and crypto. And number 2, if you didn't already do it, but invest just a little bit and just understand how Coinbase or any exchange works, how your money looks as a Bitcoin or any crypto, just a little bit, just to understand it. And then from there, you can put yourself more and more into it. That's it. I'm Michael, PLUSZEKS Crypto Corner. See you in the next video. Bye.